The next button we have is the pause instruction. This will simply cause a player to wait at that position for the designated amount of time, which in this case is a half of a second. Looking at the tooltip, we can see that if we click, we'll add a half a second to the wait time. If we alt click, we'll add a quarter of a second. If we control click, we will add a tenth of a second. And finally, if we control alt click, we will add 5/100ths of a second. And then, as we can also see from the tooltip, if we hold shift and use the above combinations, we can subtract the increments. So for example, if we want to subtract a half a second, we will hold shift. And we can see that we are now subtracting half seconds. The pause instruction can be interjected pretty much anywhere. If you create a route, you can then have him pause at the end of the route, create another route, and pause him there as well. The next button we have is the pass or run block instruction. To apply it, you will click after selecting the player that you want to apply the instruction to. And you'll notice that we have the T symbol and a letters P and A. This indicates that this current block is a pass aggressive block. If we click it again, now we are in a run aggressive block. Moving to the next button, these next three buttons are block specific modifiers. The first one will create a block zone for that player. In other words, it will expand his realm of trigger. We can also cycle the block direction. And then we can change the block aggressiveness from an aggressive stance to a non-aggressive stance.